Far too many people these days wrestle with flimsy, unstable ironing boards that wobble with every pass, struggle with burnt or scorched covers, or simply avoid ironing altogether because their equipment makes the chore harder than it needs to be. Upgrading your ironing setup isn't just about having a place to press clothes, it's about ergonomics, stability, convenience, and even saving space. The best ironing boards today go far beyond a simple folding surface. They offer height adjustability for comfortable standing posture, thick, multi-layered padding for wrinkle-free results, safety features like dedicated iron rests, and clever storage solutions that fit perfectly in small spaces. And we have the top 5 options, from full-sized workhorses to compact space savers, ready and waiting. But first of all, make sure to use our links in the description, because they're going to take you to the latest discounts for every product we talk about. Let's get into the top 5 ironing boards you can get right now on Amazon. We begin with a beautifully designed and thoughtfully engineered option from a trusted brand. The SONGMICS ironing board with 4-layered cover and pad. We'll kick things off in the perfect balance of form and function domain with this dove gray board. It features a robust, stable X-leg steel construction that provides excellent stability while ironing, eliminating the wobble that plagues cheaper models. It is height adjustable up to 35 inches, allowing you to set it at the perfect level for your height, which is a game changer for preventing back strain during longer sessions. The cover itself is a highlight, featuring a 4-layered padding system that provides a perfectly smooth cushioned surface for professional-looking results, and it resists heat effectively. It also includes a practical iron rest for safe parking and a handy hook for hanging clothes. For the homeowner who wants a reliable, attractive, and comfortable board that will last for years, the SONGMICS board delivers premium features and stability at an excellent price point. Next, we have a board that emphasizes professional-grade durability and comfort. The Deluxe ironing board, with heat-resistant cover and thickened felt pad. This model is built for serious ironing sessions. Whether you're a home sewer, someone who presses shirts daily, or just wants a top-tier experience. Its defining feature is the extra thick felt pad beneath the cover, which provides a generously cushioned surface that helps press creases in more effectively and prevents impressions from the mesh top. The heat-resistant cover is designed for longevity. The legs are heavy and sturdy, ensuring the board stays planted on the floor. It also includes a full-size hanger hook. For anyone who has ever been frustrated by a thin, lumpy ironing board that makes ironing more difficult, this Deluxe board offers the substantial, stable, and well-padded surface that turns ironing into a smoother, more satisfying task. Moving to a board with European craftsmanship and thoughtful safety features, we have the Bartnelli by Rorets ironing board, made in Europe. This board distinguishes itself with its high-quality construction and attention to detail. It features a 4-layered cover and pad system for excellent pressing results. Height adjustability goes up to 36 inches, accommodating taller users comfortably. A key safety feature is its dedicated iron rest, which is securely attached and provides a stable place to set your hot iron, far better than the small, often flimsy rests on some boards. It stands on 4 steel legs, providing a very stable and sturdy base. For those who appreciate European design and manufacturing and prioritize safety and stability in a well-proportioned board, the Bartnelli offers a premium, durable, and reliable ironing solution that feels built to last. Our 4th pick focuses on robust stability and a generous ironing surface, the ironing board with heat-resistant cover and heavy, sturdy metal frame. This model is all about providing a solid, dependable platform for your ironing tasks. It features a heavy-gauge metal frame with sturdy legs that lock securely into place, ensuring zero wobble. The dimensions of 13 by 34 inches provide a good amount of ironing surface, and it extends to a comfortable height. The cover is heat-resistant and durable. A practical steam rest allows you to safely park your iron. The non-slip feet add to its stability. This board is an excellent choice for the user who values pure, unshakable stability and a straightforward, no-nonsense design. It's built to handle heavy use without complaint. And finally, we have a brilliant solution for those with severe space constraints: the APEXCHASER Compact Space Saver Ironing Board. This yellow board is designed for small apartments, dorms, or anyone who needs to tuck their ironing setup away completely. Its standout feature is its versatility in storage. It can be folded flat and hung on a closet rod using its integrated hanger or mounted on a wall. Despite its space-saving design, it still offers a full 13 by 43-inch ironing surface. It includes an iron rest and a thick cover. The height is not adjustable, but its compact folded size is its superpower. For the city dweller, the student, or anyone who simply refuses to dedicate floor space to a bulky appliance, this APEXCHASER board is a brilliantly practical, space-efficient solution that stows away invisibly when not needed. From the ergonomic adjustability of the SONGMICS to the plush padding of the Deluxe, the safety of the Bartnelli, the robust frame of the heavy-duty model, and the ingenious storage of the APEXCHASER, each of these boards addresses a different need. The right ironing board doesn't just hold clothes, it protects your back, improves your results, and fits your life. Check the links in the description for the best prices on these top-rated ironing boards, and make this chore a little less of a chore.